Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic which is significant to both boys and girls. Does shaving makes hair thick or thin? क्या shaving करने से या razor मारने से हमारी hair growth thick या thin होती है? Is that actually a fact or is that actually a myth? And towards the end of the video, I'll be also suggesting some grooming products that you guys can use to, remove that step of going to beauty parlor every now and then and make grooming quite easy for you. Stay tuned to know about how you can actually manage your grooming without getting into the parlor. So let's get into the video. Now that we have busted the myth, let's have a look at the fantastic grooming equipment which are easily available on Amazon and can give you a smooth and flawless skin. For a very smooth arms, underarms and legs, do not forget to check out this amazing product from Amazon. I got this from a brand called Phillips. It is a very great brand and the product is a blockbuster. मतलब आपको literally ऐसा लगेगा कि that you have gone for a waxing. मुझे ये nearly around 1600 का पड़ा था and I'm talking about 2 years back. nearly कोविड के बाद की बात है ये and उसकी वजह से मतलब मेरे numerous trips to the parlor कम हो चुके हैं. मैं once in a month से यूज़ करती हूँ and barely मैं अब साल में 1 या 2 बार जाती हूँ वैक्सिंग के लिए. मैंने really feel my legs are too tanned and I actually require it. मैं बस तभी जाती हूँ. Otherwise I'm using this product क्योंकि बहुत सारे events ऐसे होते हैं which are quick, urgent. तो बार बार जाने से अच्छा use this product and make grooming easy and hassle free for yourself. Ladies, if you want to feel confident at a pool party or a beach or even in your room, so do not forget to check out this one. This beauty is called a bikini trimmer. This is also from Phillips and I don't exactly remember the rate but I think it was nearly around 1000 to 1200 के बीच में था ये. इसमें एक बैटरी लगती है. Again, it has got a smooth roller जिसकी वजह से ऐसा लगता है the skin is very smooth. तो आप इसको आप कभी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. However, my suggestion would be whenever you're cleaning such sensitive areas, do not forget to clean those areas after giving it a shave because that is always advisable. And finally, everybody is going for eyebrows and upper lips every now and then. Every week I think we require that or maybe in 20 days. So I am actually using this beautiful product from Hazels. I don't know, I've been using one Chinese product before that but मैं वो recommend नहीं करूँगी. Buy this product, ये 1000 के range का था and I don't have to go to parlor anymore. मेरे सारे hair removal इन्हीं तीनों से हो जाते हैं. In fact, the one that I'm talking about, Hazels, this one is also good for facial hair removal as well as unibrows. You can actually remove them too. And for people who have very huge growth, they can actually also use a plucker to get rid of extra hair on the brows. So just check these products out and let me know if you like it. In conclusion, I'd like to say that I hope आप लोगों का myth burst हो गया होगा कि ये सारे products कोई भी sharp edge create नहीं करते हैं हमारी skin पे and actually shaving is a lot better now these days. Also, do not forget to check the links in the description. If you enjoyed the video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week with a new video.